I'm Johnny from the Met Health Conservancy. I'm the Stewardship Associate, and I'm here today with my coworker Joy to talk to you about raised beds. Joy?
Yeah, and I'm the bookkeeper at the Conservancy.
Wonderful. So Joy, we're here with your raised beds, and I'm just wondering, why did you choose to do raised beds for your garden?
We thought it would work really well with the terraces. And also, we had to bring in all the topsoil, and it's a good way to contain that precious commodity.
Great. What materials do you use to build the raised beds?
We used yellow cedar, which is really durable and long lasting. And we bought it from a local lumber yard. And one other detail, we screwed the corners together.
Great. I've also heard that you're not supposed to use pressure treated wood. Is that the case for
Oh,
raised
correct.
beds?
Yeah, you don't want to use pressure treated. It's got chemicals and it's somewhat toxic, so not a good idea. It lasts a long time, but it's not good for the garden.
Okay. And so what are some of the things you do to prepare your raised beds for planting in the springtime?
We've got BCS compost here, which will be rototilling in soon, and we also use bone meal and also an organic fertilizer called Nutra-Rich.
Cool. So overall, what's your favorite thing about using raised beds for gardening?
Actually, they're easy to work around, and also I love the gravel path because it keeps the weeds and the grass out, so the paths are probably my favorite thing about it.
Well, that's great, Joy. I've enjoyed a lot of the vegetables and products of your labor here in your gardens, and it's always incredible. So keep up the good work, and thank you so much for showing us your raised beds today.
You're welcome. I hope to have more veggies to share with you soon.
Great.